Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, I'll show you how to combine two columns in Excel using Flash Fill, without writing a single formula. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. Here, we have a first name column and a last name column, and we want to combine them into one, full name column. In the first empty cell, type the combined name exactly the way you want it to look, like Sarah Mitchell, and press Enter. Now, select that cell along with the rest of the empty cells below it, down through the last row of your list. Click on the Data tab, and then click Flash Fill. Excel looks at the pattern from your first example, and instantly fills in the rest of the names for you. And that's it. Every row now has a combined full name, without typing a single formula. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.